So whatever I want to do in my Excel, I will be doing into a cell. So cell is the one which is most important in Excel. Let me talk about the cell more. Okay. If I ask you the question, what type of activities we do in a cell? If I am not wrong, we can do three types of activities. That's all. Generally, people say 100 things, but no. Even those 100 things can fit into all these three. One is we can enter values. The second activity we can do in a cell is we write formulas. The third activity we can do in a cell is we can apply format for a cell. So your entire Excel will roam around the cell. That means if I know about the values, formulas, format, I think I can confidently say that I know 50% of Excel, because Excel is nothing but a cell. Cell is nothing but values, formulas, format. Everything will just roam around these three things. In Excel, we enter values, we write formulas, we apply format. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. That means if I can concentrate each and every item of these three, I'm sure I can say I'm expert in Excel. But learning each and everything will take a lot of time. It looks very simple, but in-depth concepts are required to understand this.